Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to Maths class. We are doing lesson number 9. How many times? All of you, please take out the test book. We are doing the word problems which is given on page number 138. Two questions already we have done. Now, moving on to the next question, I have told you to do as homework. I hope you have done. Let us do it now. Students stand in rows in the assembly. There are 6 rows of students. Each row has 17 students. How many students are there? So, you all stand in assembly. Is it? For assembly, all the students will be standing on the ground. Likewise, these students are also standing in the ground for the assembly. There are 6 rows of students. You can see 6 rows of students are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many rows are there? There are 6 rows of students. Each row has 17 students. How many students are there in each row? There are 17 students in each row. That means in single row there will be 17 students. In this row you can see 17 students. In the next row also there will be 17. Likewise, next row also 17 students. Likewise, there are 6 rows each having 17 students. How many students are there? What we have to find out? We have to find out the total number of students. Okay, so you know that there are how many rows? There are 6 rows and there are 17 students in each row. Okay, so this 17 is repeating how many times? 17 is repeating 6 times. You can see 17 is repeating 6 times. So the answer is 17 multiplied by 6. Okay, let us see how to solve this using steps. Number of rows. How many rows are there? There are 6 rows. Number of students in each row. How many students are there in each row? Each row has 17 students. So total number of students is equal to 17 into 6. Otherwise 6 times 17. 6 into 17. 17 we have to find out. Okay. So what we are going to do? We have to first expand the 2-digit number. So 17 can be written as 10 plus 7. Next step what we have to do is we have to multiply this 10 with 6, then add, then do the multiplication of 7 with 6. So 10 into 6. First step is this 10 should be multiplied by 6. Then plus 7 into 6. So 10 6 are, how much is 10 6 are? 10 6 are 60 plus 7 6 are 42. So when you add 60 plus 42, how much you will get? You will get the answer 102. So the total number of students, how much? The total number of students are 102. Okay. Let us move on to the next question. Next question is, a design has 3 flowers in it. A piece of cloth has 17 such designs. How many flowers will be on the cloth? So you can see here a piece of cloth and there are designs also. In a single design, this is a single design. In this design there are 3 flowers. So in this design you can see 3 flowers. Next design also there are 3 flowers. Likewise, how many designs are there? There are 17 designs on this piece of cloth. How many designs? There are 17 designs on this piece of cloth. We have to find out how many flowers will be there on the cloth. So total number of flowers we have to find out. You can see here in one design you can see 3 flowers. Likewise, how many designs are there? There are 17 designs. 1, 2, 3 up to 17 designs are there. So we have to find out the total number of flowers. For that what we have to do? We have to multiply 17 and 3. So let us see. Answer. number of flowers in a design. So the number of flowers in a design is equal to 3. And number of such designs, how many such designs are there? There are 17 such designs. So how many flowers are there in a design? There are 3 flowers in a design and number of designs are 17. So the total number of flowers will be 17 multiplied by 3. Okay. So this 2-digit number we can write in expanded form as 17 is equal to 10 plus 7. You know that 17 is equal to 10 plus 7. Now you have to multiply this 10 plus 7 with 3. Okay. So first multiply 10 with 3. So 10 into 3 plus 7 into 3. 10 into 3 how much? 10 into 3 is 30 plus 7 3s are 21. So the answer is 30 plus 21 is equal to 51 flowers. Okay. So there will be 51 flowers on the cloth. Okay. I hope you have understood this one. Let us move on to the next question. How many in 23 dozen? You have heard that 1 dozen, 1 pair, like that. So 1 dozen means there will be 12 numbers and 1 pair means there will be 2 only. 2 numbers will be there only. So many things are sold by the dozen. You know that many things are being sold by the dozen. For example, bangles and bananas are often sold by the dozen. All the girls will purchase bangles, isn't it? Have you ever counted how many bangles are there? Usually these bangles are sold in dozens. If you purchase a packet of bangles or of metal bangles, you can see that it will contain 12 bangles. Okay. So usually these bangles are sold in dozen. And bananas are also often sold by the dozen. When you approach the fruit seller, they will say how much is the cost of banana. They will say 20 rupees for 6 bananas or 40 rupees for 12 bananas, like that they will say. So usually these bananas and bangles are mostly sold in dozen, but in some cases bananas are sold by weight also. Here 1 dozen means how much? 1 dozen is equal to 12 numbers. So how much is 1 dozen? 1 dozen is equal to 12. There will be 12 number in 1 dozen. Whatever things you purchase, there will be 12 in. They will be 12 in number. Okay. So 1 dozen bananas means 12 bananas. Okay. Here it is written 1 dozen bananas means 12 bananas. So 23 dozen bananas. How much will be 23 dozen bananas? It will be 23 times 12 or 23 into 12. Here this ant is guessing. 23 into 10 is 230. You know that multiplication of tens. 23 times 10 is equal to 230. So the answer is more than 200. So the answer, that means 23 dozen bananas will be more than 230 bananas, because 1 dozen means 12 number will be there. Here 23 is multiplied by 10 because 12 is between 10 and 50. That is more than, 12 is more than 10. So this ant is multiplying this 23 with 10 and it got the answer 230. And it is saying that the answer will be more than 230 because 1 dozen means 12 bananas. That is more than 10. Okay. Excuse me. So here, how to find 23 multiplied by 12? So this Bharati is saying we can do it in the same way. Earlier we had done 2 digit into 1 digit. In the same way we can find the answer of 23 multiplied by 12. Otherwise 2 digit with 2 digit. Okay. So Bharati wrote 23 is 20 and 3 and 12 is 10 and 2. Bharati is saying that 23 means it is 20 plus 3 and 12 means 10 plus 2. That you all also know. If we write the numbers in expanded form, you will get 23 is 20 plus 3 and 12 is 10 plus 2. And she wrote in the box like this. 20, here 3, here 10, here 2. Then what she has done? Let us see in the next page what Bharati is doing. Then after that Bharati wrote 20 into 10. In this box what she is doing? 20 multiplied by 10. And here what she is doing? 3 is multiplied with 10. So 20 multiplied by 10 she got the answer 200, and 3 multiplied by 10 she got the answer 30. Then this 2 column is missing now. Now we can fill in these 2 columns. How? This 20 should be multiplied by 2. We have to multiply 20 with 2. So 20 into 2 here. How much is 20 into 2? 20 into 2 is 40. And next 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. And Bharati wrote the answer here 200 she got, here 300, here 30, here 40 and 6. Now what Bharati wrote here? And Bharati wrote 200, 400, 30 and 6, and she started adding it together. 0 plus 0 is 0, again plus 0 0, plus 6, you will get here 6. Next column, in the tens place 4 plus 3, 7, here 0, so here answer is 7. Then here 2, nothing to add with 2, so the answer is 276. We will add the numbers in the boxes to get the answer. What Bharati is saying that we have to add the numbers in the boxes. Here boxes we got the answers now. That we have to add together. And she got the answer 236. So this girl is saying that that's correct. 23 times 12 is equal to 276. So 23 dozen bananas is 276 bananas. Okay. I will explain in another way also. Sometimes this box method will be little confusing. Let us do as we done earlier without using box. It will be better, because when you start writing the boxes, sometimes you will be in confusion to write the numbers. We will learn both the methods. Both the methods are right. I will show you how to do. See here. Here 23 is can be, here 23 dozen bananas equal to 23 into 12 bananas. So 23 can be written as 20 plus 3, and this 12 can be written as 10 plus 2. Okay. Now here first we have expanded this 23. Next number is 12. Okay. So we have to multiply this 20 and 3 first with 10. After that we have to multiply this 20 and 3 with 2. Okay, first we have to take the first number of the second number which is given here. Okay. Now see, first we have to take the 10. So this is the number 10. First we are going to multiply this. 23 is written as 20 plus 3. So 23, first 20 we have to take. This 20 can be multiplied with 10. We have to multiply this 20 with 10 first. So 20 into 10, don't forget to put the brackets. Okay. Plus next number is 3. 3 into 10. In the earlier sums we have done like this. Same way here 20 into 10 plus 3 into 10. As this second number is a 2-digit number, there will be one more number here. So now the calculation with 10 is over. Now moving on to the second number. Again we have to multiply this 20 with 2 and 3 with 2. Again write plus 20 into 2 plus this 3 into 2. Okay. I will tell once more. 23 is written as 20 plus 3, and this 12 is written as 10 plus 2. So first we have to consider this number as full. Okay. 20 into 10. First we have to take the number 10 from here. No need of taking to only 10. First I have to take 10 only. So 20 into 10 plus 3 into 10. The second step is 20 into 2 plus 3 into 2. First step we have to do this much. Second step we have to do this. Okay. So 20 into 10 is 200. 3 into 10 30 plus 20 into 2 is 40 and 3 2s are 6. So 200 plus 30 you will get 230 plus 40 plus 6. Now 230 plus 40 how much? 270. 270 plus 6 you will get the answer 276 bananas. Okay, this is also correct. Here what Bharati given is also right. Here also she got the answer 276. We also got the answer 276 bananas. Both the way are correct. You can choose your own method, either this one or the box method. This method also is correct. Here 20 and 3 is written on the top, then 10 and 2 on the this side. Then 20 into 10, then 3 into 10, here 20 into 2 and 3 into 2. The answers are then added together to get the final answer. Okay. For example, either you can use this method or the above method. This method will be little easier, I think so, because the box method you may have some confusion. Whichever you find it easy, you can do in that method. Both the methods I am teaching here. Okay. So I hope you have understood this. We will explain this method, both the methods in detail in the next question also. Many questions of same method are there. Next question we will do in both the ways. You can see the next question here, 43 into 13. So we can do this answer in both the methods in the next class. Okay, so let us wind up the session for today. Thank you.